Are you kidding me?
The National Weather
Now
Service
you
has
gotta-
issued Tornado Watch number 271, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in South Dakota, Lake and McCook. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large-scale and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Operating on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. This is NOAA weather radio KCWXM 28, broadcasting from a transmitter near
Management and courses. Own residential rental property. Call Janelle at 212-2529. Following program has been pre-recorded.
Your National Weather Service forecast for Sioux Falls and the surrounding area.
David Van Camp is out on vacation here in
Showers and thunderstorms this evening. Then showers with
Secretary Scott Bessent taking
Yep, and we just got a tornado watch.